Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to use Sora AI Video Generator for free. So let's just begin. Now this is an amazing video generating software. So if I dive onto its pricing section, you will be able to see that it actually costs some price to use, so you can generate really crazy stuff using this. But you can see we have two plans here: ChatGPT Plus, so it comes with 720p resolution and 10 seconds duration videos. Then we have ChatGPT Pro, and then we for this offers faster generations and up to 5 concurrent generations and 1080p and 20-second video generation. So this is the most important thing. Now of course it is paid, but if any of your let's just say friend have it, maybe a ChatGPT Pro subscription, and he's maybe not using this particular integration Sora, then you can ask them, and if they share your account, you can get it for free with ChatGPT. A lot of people do not know that it comes along with ChatGPT subscription. And yeah, make sure to give a try to that. Or what you can do is simply try the trial period. Simply head over to ChatGPT and try generating few stuff. It gives you some free tries, and yeah, you can use that. But of course it is not something that is gonna be going free for quite some time now. I hope this helps, and if it does, consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more, and see you guys in the next video.